Gray & Sons is proud to present the limited edition AMVOX2, a technical achievement from a collaboration between Swiss watch brand Jaeger LeCoultre and British luxury automaker Aston-Martin. While sharing their common legacy of achievement, their uncompromising dedication to perfection, and their expertise in the design of movement, Jaeger LeCoultre and Aston-Martin engineers have demonstrated once again their passion for invention and discovery by introducing new technical features into this iconic AMVOX2 Grand Chronograph. The 18-karat rose gold watch case is an impressive 44 millimeters in diameter, with a partially skeletonized dial. The watch comes on a sporty black strap with 18-karat rose gold folding buckle. The AMVOX2's most unique and striking feature, though, is the crystal-based chronograph activation system, a patented, articulated, vertical-triggered chronograph. Unlike most chronograph watches, the AMVOX2 does not have traditional pushers to activate and reset the chronograph. Instead, this is controlled by pressing down on the sapphire crystal, a sort of mechanical touchscreen. The chronograph starts and stops with a push of the crystal at 12 o'clock. Pressing on the crystal at 6 o'clock resets the chronograph. A locking slide on the side of the case prevents the unwanted starting or stopping of the chronograph. This limited edition AMVOX2 is in excellent condition and is Gray & Sons certified authentic, a unique and spectacular mechanical watch of refined beauty and sophistication. All of our watches at Gray & Sons are backed by our trusted 12 to 24-month warranty. Each watch is inspected and serviced by our certified in-house Swiss-trained watchmakers. Our high standards in quality control, our international reputation, and knowledge on the repair of the finest mechanical watches has made Gray & Sons a trusted institution with clients worldwide. To learn more about this and other fine watches, visit our website, www.grayandsons.com.